welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick tutorial on how to give your hair texture curls. It is a very soft, beachy wave curl that you can create in less than 15 minutes, even quicker depending on how short your hair is. I'm going to show you step by step on how I just pretty much did this look. Honestly, it's super easy. Anyone can do it, and especially for my moms out there that don't have that time to spend 30-45 minutes curling your hair, this is something for you. If this is a look that you guys want to recreate, then go ahead and continue watching. Alrighty guys, so we're going to start off by applying some heat protector by Ion. This step is very important because without it my hair gets damaged easily. You want to make sure you get a little on the roots and plenty on the ends. Next, we're going to spray a little styling spray starch. This helps hold the curl for a longer period of time, and it also helps volumize the hair when you apply it directly on the roots. Next, we're going to go ahead and brush out the hair and make sure there are no knots. We are going to continue to part the hair down the middle and then grab our 1 1/4 inch curling iron. After selecting a small section from the back, you're going to wrap your hair around the curling iron for about 10 seconds. Make sure not to curl your hair all the way down, leave about 1 inch to 2 inches out. Continue this step and stop when you get close to the front. Once you reach the front, go ahead and start grabbing smaller sections and repeat. Make sure to be wrapping away from the face. You can spray your curls right away or wait till the very end. I chose to spray my face and not my hair. You guys can totally skip this part, but I'm pretty much going to cause some traffic. I'm going to grab little sections and I'm going to curl them the opposite way. This is going to help give my hair some dimension, and it's also going to prevent the curls from sticking together. There you have it, a very quick, effortless way to curl your hair. Alright guys, we've came to the end of the video, and I just want to thank you guys all so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. I can't stress this part out enough. If you loved this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you loved this video, go ahead and share with all your friends and family. So yeah, thank you all so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Yeah. Don't...